Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today, I have something simple, refreshing, and super healthy for you. We are making a pawpaw banana smoothie. This drink is naturally sweet, creamy, and loaded with nutrients. Perfect for breakfast, after a workout, or just a sunny afternoon here in Ghana. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Without wasting much of your time, wear your apron and let's make this creamy smoothie recipe. First and first, let's begin with our pawpaw, also known as papaya. Make sure it's nice and ripe. The skin should look yellow to orange, and when you press gently, you should feel it soft. That's how you know it's sweet and ready. So now make sure to wash your pawpaw very well, and after washing it, we're going to cut it open carefully. Inside you will see those little black seeds. Just scoop them out with a spoon. It is very healthy and nutritious as well, but for this recipe I'm not going to be using it. You can use it and that's just fine. So now let's remove the seeds from the pawpaw and we're going to proceed to our next stage. At this point, if you're still with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. So now that we are done with the seeds, we're going to set it aside and proceed by peeling off the skin and cut the orange flesh into small cubes. Pawpaw is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and digestive enzymes that are good for your stomach. And the bananas also are full of potassium and energy, which makes the smoothie filling and refreshing. So if you are a lover of pawpaw or banana, what are you waiting for? Kindly do this combo and trust me, you're going to love it. It's very refreshing and packed with lots of nutrients. So try this and thank me later. Now we're going to cut the pawpaw itself into cubes just the way you see it on your screens right now. And once everything is nice and ready, we're going to transfer it into a blender. It's super easy and with few ingredients you can achieve this deliciousness. Next we're going to transfer pawpaw into a blender, and now we're going to talk about the extra touch which makes the smoothie very creamy and very refreshing. But before anything else, don't forget to add in your bananas. It's so important. Don't forget as well to use the very fresh one, and it's absolutely the best. After adding in the bananas, I'll go in with some vanilla extract. This makes the smoothie very nice and tastes absolutely delicious. Next, I'll also go in with some quarter cup of oats. You can replace this with any cereal of your choice. Okay, next let's go in with a little bit of sugar, which you can replace with some honey as well. And our last ingredient, which is going to be evaporated milk. Feel free to use coconut milk, almond milk, or any dairy-free milk of your choice. You can also add some ice cubes to blend alongside with it, but since I use cold milk, no need for that. But if you want it extra cold, then ice cubes is going to be the best option, trust me. Now I'll add the ice cubes into my tall glass. Look at that rich creamy texture. You can sprinkle a little cinnamon on top or add a slice of banana on the rim for decoration if you want it extra fancy. But trust me, for me, I love it more sweet, so I added a little bit of evaporated milk as well, and trust me, it was the best decision ever. This smoothie is not just delicious, it's healthy. Pawpaw helps digestion, banana gives you energy, and the oats keeps you full for a longer time. It's also packed with fiber and also helps digestion as well. And so together they make a quick filling drink. And that is it, my lovely people. Your Pawpaw's banana smoothie is ready. Quick, easy, and super nutritious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Efya for more healthy and tasty recipes. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.